I chose question 34 from chapter 4, section 6. For the situation described, identify all the forces acting on the object and draw a free body diagram for the object. Your car is skidding to a stop from a high speed. First, we need to identify all the forces acting on the car, causing it to skid to a stop. We know that the car has a certain acceleration moving in the right direction horizontally on the x-axis. Since we know the car is accelerating to the right, there must be a force acting against it to the left in order for the car to skid to a stop. This force will be our friction force, and more specifically our kinetic friction, which occurs when two objects are moving against each other in opposite directions. Second, we know that since the car is on Earth, there will be a gravitational force pointing in the downward direction on the y-axis. Next, since the car is on a road, there will be a normal force exerted by the road in the upward direction, also on the y-axis. Now that we have identified all of our forces, we can draw a free body diagram. First, we start by drawing the origin, which represents the car. Then we can draw our normal force on the y-axis, pointing upward. Now we can draw our gravitational force pointing downward on the y-axis. After that, we can draw our kinetic friction pointing to the left on the x-axis, representing the friction force acting on the car. We can also draw the acceleration pointing to the right, showing when the car was moving before it stopped. We have now identified all of our forces and drawn a free body diagram for our given situation.